Hello, my name is Adaventure of the Woman Workshop, and this is
Miss.Adaventure.
We're back with our food and health reviews, and today we're going to be talking about this Kaptain foods, fully cooked. They said no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Who would have thought that a time would come when we would have ready-made stews to be sold and in our shops like this? When is the expiring date on that? August.
Yeah, 2020.
August 2020. This is January. So this ready stew can last until it was manufactured 2019.
Yeah, on
August.
the 8th.
1 year. The stew can last for 1 year. And they said no preservatives.
Wow.
Somebody's lying. Somebody's lying. So you mean they didn't put any preservatives inside here and it is lasting 1 year? Kaptain foods on our well done. Well done. Blessing. So you made this. They said ready-made. Was it really ready-made?
Actually, they said all you need to do is just get a boiled water and just put it and just parboil it, and that's all. And that is what I did, and this is what we put.
So I'm perceiving a whole lot of Maggi in here. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
I'm not sure it's a nice thing to be perceiving. Like right immediately I walked in, I was perceiving the Maggi there.
Yeah, I don't think so. Not supposed to be so. Can you be perceiving just Maggi?
Maggi. I was thinking maybe if I'm to perceive anything to be tomato. This one is Maggi. But and they said it's hot pot. They have the mild pot. This is the hot pot. All right. Let's check the taste of it.
Actually, for me, this is pure seasoning. All I can taste right now is just Maggi.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure that the tomato cooked well.
Same here too. That's what I wanted to say.
I'm not sure the tomato cooked well.
No. This is not it.
You wouldn't be recommending this to anybody?
No, because I can taste the raw tomato in there.
It's not properly cooked.
Yeah.
And then they said it's ready made. And in terms of hot pot, I've eaten a hotter stews. And my sister taught me this trick, that if you are not sure of your food, maybe the salt is too much or you are not sure it will be very delicious, you just put in a lot of pepper inside. People will be busy complaining of the pepper to talk of the stew.
Yeah.
But I'm not even sure I'm getting the spicy. It's spicy, but not as much as I was expecting.
Yes.
In terms of taste, what score would you give it?
Please, I will give it a 4.
Honestly, that was on my mind. I'm going to give it a 4. 4 because I've tasted much more delicious stews. This is. But I would always recommend. Blessing says she will not be recommended, but I will always recommend so that you have an experience. But another reason why I'm skeptical is a stew without preservative that is going to last 1 year. Shelf life of 1 year. Something is wrong somewhere.
Yeah. Absolutely. Seriously.
But I think you guys should give it a try. I think people should give it a try. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll be seeing you next time.
Yes.
And remember to
subscribe to the Woman Workshop YouTube channel.
We'll be seeing you next time. Thank you.
Bye.